welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have yet another haul. This time around it is a grocery haul. It is a no frills grocery haul. And in case you missed my last video, that is a price matching and couponing haul with a lot of freebies. So if you missed that video, please remember to watch that one as well. That being said, let's begin with my grocery haul. To begin, I purchased this no-name cream cheese spread. Next, we purchased a 2-pack of this chorizo, and it's by the Borges brand, which is a Portuguese brand, and we like this very much. We also purchased these maple leaf wieners. These were on sale for 97 cents a package. I purchased this variety pack of cherry tomatoes, which are wonderful in a salad. Purchased a package of these Ziggy's brand pepperoni sticks. This is for quick snacks. Also picked this pre-cut chorizo, which I like to put on my pizzas, homemade pizzas. Purchased a package of these cheddar and mozzarella twists. These were a really great price at No Frills. Check your flyer, they're on the front. Also purchased this Cracker Barrel old cheddar cheese. This is the shredded for pizzas. And this Cracker Barrel herb and garlic. Don't know what I'm doing there, but there you go. That's what it looks like. Purchased some of this, is it halloum cheese? And I heard this is really good fried up, so I'm going to give that a try. Purchased some of this Asiago shredded cheese. Mushrooms were on sale, the sliced mushrooms, so I picked up some plain white mushrooms. And next here you'll see a package of the cremini mushrooms, also sliced up. Also bought a tub of the sour cream. Picked up some of this 10% coffee cream. Picked up a President's Choice canola oil spray. Some peppers. Aren't they beautiful? Picked up a loaf of this Weight Watchers bread. It's multi-grain. We picked up 2 cartons of their no-name chicken broth, which is my go-to. 18 eggs. Just had to put some things away. So moving on, I purchased some of their fresh cilantro. Some green onions. My grocery haul is not a haul unless I purchase some garlic, so I picked up some peeled garlic, some raspberries, and I love my blueberries, so I picked those up. Those were on sale as well. Most of these things were on sale. Picked up a calabrese salami by the Mastro brand. Picked up, just 1 apple. A red delicious apple, some romaine lettuce. We also picked up some yellow onions. Picked up a bag of avocados, which I absolutely love. A loaf of the Wonder White Thin Slice Bread. That's the one Isabella loves. Another apple, a loner, just 1 apple. I believe that's a gala apple, I think. We picked up a nice large cabbage because I'm going to be making some cabbage rolls. A broccoli. We picked up some kidney beans, and there it goes. There, it's gonna fall. There you go, it fell. Anyways, we picked up 2 cans of the kidney beans and a can of diced tomatoes. We're going to be making some chili. So for the chili and the cabbage rolls, we needed some ground beef. So I picked up a package of this extra lean ground beef, and we also picked up a combo pack of beef and pork. And that brings us to the end of my grocery haul. So that combined with our price matching and couponing haul is what we shopped for this week. So again, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I will talk to you on my next video. Bye everyone.